ready to shout out answers at your TV screen and test your family knowledge. Today, we're diving into how to watch Family Feud on your Roku TV so you can catch every hilarious moment. First, let's explore your streaming options. Family Feud isn't typically available as a standalone app. Instead, you'll likely find it through streaming services that carry the channel it airs on, which is often your local ABC, CBS, Fox, or CW affiliate. Head to the Roku channel store by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. Then navigating to streaming channels, use the search bar to look for apps like Hulu Live TV, YouTube TV, Fuboth, or Sling TV. These services often include local channels in their packages. Once you've found a service that carries your local channel, download and subscribe if you haven't already. After subscribing, launch the app and search for your local affiliate station. Check the programming schedule to find out when Family Feud airs in your area. Don't want to pay for a subscription? Check out free and supported streaming services like Pluto TV, Tubi, or the Roku channel. While they might not always have the latest episodes, they sometimes offer older seasons or themed marathons of Family Feud. Here's a pro tip: use the Roku voice search feature by pressing the microphone button on your remote and saying Family Feud. Roku will then show you all the available viewing options across different apps. Finally, if your streaming service offers DVR capabilities, record episodes of Family Feud so you can watch them at your convenience. That way, you will never miss an episode.